with people. Look here. This movie you come to, you know. Look there. Right in front of the airport. All the rockstone in the world come down on it.
Alright, so I walk into my vehicle. The whole of BRS, people are now marooned at BRS. This is Union Street. I have a few popular streets in conjunction to this one, which is important, people. We have people swimming. Look at that. That is my car. Right there. This is like, look at that. People maroon, people trying to, this is chaos. Drowning in a go.
This is one carrot in the glass. Bust on glass and come out.
Yeah, bust on glass.
I call your head rest and burst the glass.
People have started to use C-bike now, people, and it's ridiculous. People crying for help. Barbers trying to get out of them place. Ridiculous. Right now, one ridiculous. Rooftops. People running for safety all over the place. And this is just one street. All the rest of the streets is just like this.
The glass just right out. Yeah, long time. Look at the help. Oh God. Somebody are dead.
Wherever look at them, the bus are bus, full of people. The bus is on the road around the door here.
Aston Street.
Church everywhere.
Where's the name again? I'll stop me, I'll stop. Fucked up, dog.